Now we begin exercise 4.4. Here I have taken two questions. You can see how to solve directly. So here first we will have to remove this term. This is term with add sign. So in the next step we can write 2y is equal to 37 upon 2. Here it is plus, it will become minus 5 upon 2. So 2y is equal to 32 upon 2. 37 minus 5 is equal to 32 upon 2. Therefore, in the next step we can write y is equal to 32 upon 2. It is already there. Now here there is multiplication. If no sign, so this multiplication will come to division place. So we will write into 2. So that is equal to y is equal to 32 upon 4. That is equal to 4 8 is a 32. So the value of y is equal to 8. Now we come to the second question. Just see here, it is a upon 5 plus 3 is equal to 2. So here we will remove this term first. So a upon 5 equal to 2 minus 3. So a upon 5 will be equal to minus 1. Sign of the greater number we always put and the numbers are subtracted. So a is equal to minus 1. Here it is in division place. So on right hand side it will come to multiplication. So a is equal to 5 ones are 5 and sign negative minus 5. So this will be your answer. Now we take two more examples of the same question. They are little bit different, so I am going to explain you this also. Here you see 5 upon 2x is equal to minus 10. So we can write it as 5x upon 2 is equal to minus 10. Now I hope you can solve it. Now 5x is equal to minus 10 into 2. So x will be equal to 10 2s are 20, that is minus 20, and here 5 will come to denominator on right hand side. So x is equal to minus 5 4s are 20, that is minus 4. So value of x will be minus 4. Now we come to the next question. See here it is in fraction form, but still we will remove this first. So we can do 7m is equal to 13 minus 19 upon 2. Here though no denominator, so we can write 1. Now in the next step, 7m is equal to 13. You have to make the denominator same, so for that you will multiply it by 2 and numerator will also get multiplied by 2. So you will get 26 minus 19 upon 2. It means 7m is equal to 7 upon 2. Therefore m is equal to 7 upon 2. Now here 7 is at multiplication place, so it will come to division place in denominator on right hand side. Now here you can see 7 and 7 will get cancelled. So value of m will remain 1 upon 2. Rest of the questions you will solve yourself. Now we come to question number 2. In question number 2, the equation is given along with brackets. So first you will solve, remove the brackets and then solve. So how to remove the brackets? Now here, to remove bracket, you multiply x by 2. So you get 2x. Then multiply 2 with 4. So sign plus 2 4s are 8 gives 12. So in the next step, 2x is equal to 12 minus 8. So x is equal to 4 upon 2. This multiplication will come to denominator. So 4 upon 2. 12 minus 8 is 4. Therefore, value of x will be 2. 2 2s are 4. Now we come to the next question. That is, here it is minus 4. You have to multiply the bracket with minus 4. So minus 4 into 2 gives minus 4 2s are 8. Then minus plus becomes minus. Then 4x is equal to 8. Now in the next step we will write minus 4x. We will write the number along with its sign if it is negative. So minus 4x is equal to 8 plus 8. Now here negative minus 8, when comes to right hand side it becomes plus 8. Therefore we can write minus x is equal to 16 and denominator will be 4. 16 divided by 4. So you will get minus x is equal to 4 4s are 16. But you have to find the value of x. So x is equal to, sign will get shifted, minus 4. So this will be your answer. On rest of the questions you have to do yourself. Now we come to question number 3. Now from question number 3 I have taken 2 examples and rest of the questions you will do yourself. Just see here, the question is 4 is equal to 5 in bracket p minus 2. So you can just interchange. You can shift this RHS to LHS side and LHS to RHS side. There will be no change in question. So we can write 5 p minus 2 is equal to 4. Now you can solve it as you have solved it previously. 5 into p gives 5p and 5 into minus 2 gives minus 10. 5 2s are 10 and this is equal to 4. So 5p is equal to 4 plus 10. Therefore p is equal to 14 upon 5. So this is your answer. Now in the second question, here also you can shift it. You can write 5 p minus 2 is equal to minus 4. Now again you will first solve the remove the bracket. So 5 into p is equal to 5p, then minus 5 2s are 10 is equal to minus 4. Now in the next step 5p is equal to, here it is plus 10 minus 2. So on right hand side it will become plus 10. Now here one is negative and one is positive. So here you will subtract the number but put the sign of the greater number. Therefore it will be 5p is equal to 6 because positive number is greater. So p is equal to 6 upon 5. So this will be your answer. Okay children, and rest of the questions you have to solve yourself. Now we come to the last question. Last question is to construct 3 equations starting with x is equal to 3. So only by using x is equal to 3 you can frame a number of equations. Like for example, if you multiply this equation multiply by 5, you can take any number. So you will get x, you will get 5x is equal to 3 into 5. That is 5x is equal to 15. This is first equation. Another equation, divide it by 7. So 5x upon 7 is equal to 15 upon 7. So this is the second equation that has been formed. Now you can add 5. So you will get 5x upon 7 plus 5 is equal to 15 upon 7 plus 5. So this is the third equation. It's not necessary that only these numbers you have to use. You can use any number on your choice. But you, whatever number either you are multiplying or dividing or adding or subtracting must be done on both the sides. Then only it will form an equation. So in this way, question B you have to do yourself. Now in this way children, exercise 4.3 is complete. We will continue in the next video.